Churachandpurda numit manganigi internet thingkhre Churachandpurda zombie versus maramadi Kuki ki marakta funa chainabagi thaudok pakthok chakthorappadagi miyoi ama laikhidabaga loinana miyoi kaya amana asopan nangkhiba asina maram oiraga irang asibu laksinnaba Churachandpurda internet numit manganigi athingba thamkhre hairi. Zombie Student Federation na Sisipurda emergency shutdown Ywkhre. Awang Nongpoki State Marida Supreme Court na Center Lengakta delimitation ki matam thakre Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland na singbada thahong ki manungda delimitation Supreme Court na Center Lengakta matam thakre delimitation hearing matam lakliba July 12 da Ywkhre hairi. Irang sagatpa Kuki Phare Central Force na Phare hairi. Ngasi pangthokiba Parliament ki 0 hour ki matamda Inner Manipur constituency ki MP Dr. Angomsa Bimol na Manipur ki National Highway 2 amadi 37 thingjinbagi matangda wangang bagi mami ama.
माननीय सदस्य डॉक्टर अंगोमचा बिमोल जी.
Thank you, Madam Chairperson. I just want to draw the attention of the House to something which our Finance Minister had also mentioned on this floor about the blockage of National Highway, particularly National Highway number 2 and National Highway number 37. This stretch in our country has been the site of illegal taxation by all kinds of armed groups for many years. A cement bag which is available for 300 or 350, barely 200 kilometers away in Dimapur, is sold in Imphal around 700, 800 rupees. So it has affected the economy and it has been a decades-old problem, but things have become serious with the ongoing crisis. Some people are holding the citizens of the state to ransom in the name of separate administration. They have been trying to object the free movement of population on these highways. They have also resisted to the idea of resettlement of people in their original homes. And this has been going on from the day one. And I would like to draw the attention of this House that people are suffering because of this, which is a tacit support of the government. It seems that you have been partitioning people on communal lines. People in Churachandpur are traveling, for instance, 300 plus kilometers to travel to catch a flight from Aizol rather than going to Imphal, which is barely 50 kilometers. And people from Imphal cannot afford flight. All of them have been using flight to go to Guwahati or Kolkata. This inconvenience has been going on. And I think I would recommend and appreciate the move of the governor to open these highways. But it seems that he has buckled down under pressure from these communal forces, which is positioning the so-called separate administration as an issue to justify this deprivation of basic human rights of the citizens, that of Article 19, free movement, and that of Article 21, right to life, which also includes right to livelihood. And I think so the government must take firm action to clear these roads and allow free movement of citizens in the state. Thank you, Madam Chairperson.
Jomina Pubada Kuki any hospital like Kanari Hairi. Churachandpurda hauji thogliba irang asigi matangda Kuki MLA tarukna Shanti amadi ingtapa puraknaba joint appeal tawkhre hairi. Jomina lan tawraklabadi Kukina Pathaw koronganbagi mateng lwragani haikre. Arambai Tengol ki PRO Robin Mangang kwarpamde gebde lokuchage Kukina nahaki mateng lwragani hairabanina isilinau nusina kaina batare do korongan bakuman nayamadi Jomina hankre. Jogam Today newspaper poster Thugairam lehairi. KBP ki chairman K Guite Jomine attack tawbadagi asokpa masa adu aruba phibamda laibadagi district hospital da pukhatkre hairi. Disqualified tawni ki halaga Manipur University gi vice chairman bu speaker Saityabrata na kakhatkre hairi. Kukina singthakiba zomi flag amuk zomi mayamna thechinkre hairi. Manipur police na KCPPWG ki cadre ma Faraba Kedara du Gimaming na Ningthau Khongjam Social Maitei Allies Kangla Allies Ising Sauba Chahi Yankai Sure Hairi. Faraba Kedar adu Imphal West District ki Singdamai Police Station na Konba Langthabal Kunja Mamang Laikai gi Konsam Oil Pump Manaktagi ni Hairi. Mangonagi mobile phone ama Phangbangam Hairi. Sisipur District ki Doctor Association to Public Appeal Tawkhre Hairi. Kuki Zomi Mar amadi churches leadersingna joint appeal tawkhre hairi.